Now, how we can search the filters on Instagram. In this video, we are going to see that if you want to post some reel or video on Instagram and you want to add some filters, but you want to search a particular filter, how we can do this. Now, let's click on this plus sign right here. So for example, if we are creating a reel here, we will create reel, just choose a video. And now what we need to do is just click on this three kind of ball sign. This is the effects option. And this menu will pop up. From here on the left corner, we can search any effect here. So for example, I want nature filter right here. So what we can choose is, this is the filter. So it will be applied like this. So this is how we can search any filter on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.